Welcome to the Ultimate Scratch Programming Course 2022. I'm Naveed Chaudhary and I'll be your instructor in this course. I've got around 20 years of experience of programming and I'm passionate about providing quality education to kids of programming and coding. So who is this course for? This course is specifically designed for kids of age 7 and above. And if you are an adult and don't know programming, then you can greatly benefit from this course. In this course, I'll be teaching you the real programming stuff. So this is not a typical step-by-step sort of Scratch course that you usually find on internet. But I'll be teaching you very important programming concepts and you'll be working on very interesting and challenging programming assignments as well. You'll be creating animations, you'll be creating games, you'll be working on some serious programming projects as well during this course. So please share this course with your friends and family and with your kids because they are going to love it. And I've seen kids of age 7 and above making great progress with this course. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.